Hello everyone, today I have a review of the Switchblade replica of Zero Tolerance Company, model 0512. Total length is 20.3 cm, blade length is 8.8 cm, blade thickness is 4.1 mm, so quite thick for an automatic knife. The steel of the blade is 9CR18 MOV, tempered to approx 59 HRC, flat grind, clip point blade type, black end. On the blade the company logo, Zero Tolerance. On the other, 0512, Kai, USA, CPM Crewer. This is a push button switchblade. The handle scale is made of light colored micarta. The other part of the handle probably is made of aluminium. A black pocket clip with the Zero Tolerance logo. In summary, a very nice switchblade. The spring kicks nicely. I like this blade. This makes it one of the most interesting switchblades for me. Quite comfortable. That's all in this review. Thanks for watching.